Hello YouTube, Metal Trooper 62 here, and it's a nice picture of my door. But anyway, I said we were going to get some wicked snow here in Illinois, and they were right. So I took the dog out this morning. This is what? It's about 10:30 now in the morning, and we got about 7 inches of snow, and they said it's going to snow for another 5 or 6 hours. Damn, I hate Illinois. They got shitty weather and they got shitty politics. Man. My dog likes the snow, but this is a little too deep for him. He has a hard time. But yeah, this is it's blowing. It's kind of slowed down a little bit, but it's gonna be more. And then come out the front door, and it's snow. And actually, they don't plow our street. Never. There's my car. It's all covered with snow. My nice Charger's all covered with snow. The trees are laying on it. I have to go out there and knock that crap off. But yeah. Anyway, there's a guy tooling down the street. Looks like he's the only one. Yep, I'm hibernating today. And then they said after all this crap, we're supposed to get tundra-like weather. And they said it could be 30 below zero with wind chill. So, I mean, that can kill you very quickly. But anyway, I just wanted to share my Illinois suckiness with y'all. If you do live in Illinois or you're where it's with snow, stay warm, stay safe, and have a good one.